Hello, friends! In today's video, we're checking out the coolest Amazon bestsellers in home electronics gadgets for 2024. From smart home devices to must-have tech for your living space, these gadgets will upgrade your everyday life. Stay tuned as we dive into the top picks you don't want to miss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video.
Wall charger. This wall charger is a compact and powerful device, perfect for charging your electronics quickly and efficiently. Equipped with multiple USB ports, it allows you to charge several devices simultaneously, making it ideal for home, office, or travel. The fast charging technology ensures your phone, tablet, or other gadgets get powered up in no time. Designed with safety features like overcharge protection and short circuit prevention, it keeps your devices safe while charging. The sleek and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, fitting snugly into any bag or pocket. Compatible with most smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices, it's a reliable charging solution for everyday use.
TV Stick. Amazon Fire TV Stick is a portable streaming device that brings endless entertainment to your TV. With access to thousands of apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney T, it transforms any ordinary screen into a smart TV. The compact stick plugs directly into your TV's HDMI port and comes with an Alexa-enabled remote for easy voice control. Enjoy seamless HD streaming and fast navigation with its powerful processor. Whether you're catching up on the latest series or streaming live sports, Fire TV Stick delivers clear, high-quality visuals. It's perfect for binge watchers, gamers, and anyone who loves entertainment on demand. Plus, it's super easy to set up. Just plug in, connect to Wi-Fi, and start streaming.
Ice maker. The new air portable ice maker can produce up to 50 pounds of ice per day, perfect for parties, gatherings, or everyday use. Its compact design fits easily on countertops, making it ideal for small kitchens, RVs, or outdoor events. With a fast ice-making cycle, you can have fresh ice in as little as 7 minutes. The large capacity storage bin holds plenty of ice to keep your drinks cool without constant refills. It's easy to use with a simple control panel, and the self-cleaning function ensures hassle-free maintenance. Whether you need ice for cocktails or cooling down beverages, this portable ice maker delivers convenience and efficiency.
Echo Dot. Amazon Echo Dot is a compact smart speaker that brings the power of Alexa to any room. With voice control, you can play music, get news updates, control smart home devices, and much more, all hands-free. Its sleek, modern design fits perfectly in small spaces while delivering rich sound quality. The Echo Dot can set reminders, answer questions, and even tell jokes, making it a versatile assistant for everyday tasks. It also integrates with other smart devices like lights, thermostats, and security systems. Easy to set up and use, the Echo Dot is perfect for anyone looking to add convenience and smart technology to their home.
Echo Show. Amazon Echo Show 5 is a compact smart display with Alexa, perfect for your bedside or kitchen. It features a 5.5-inch screen for watching videos, making video calls, checking weather updates, or displaying photos. With Alexa built in, you can control smart home devices, set alarms, and stream music, all with voice commands. The Echo Show 5 also offers privacy features, including a built-in camera shutter. It's ideal for staying connected, managing your day, and even following recipes while cooking. Simple to use, it adds both convenience and entertainment to any room.
Bluetooth speaker. This Bluetooth speaker with HD sound delivers crystal clear audio in a compact, portable design. Perfect for on-the-go music lovers, it offers wireless connectivity for seamless streaming from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. The powerful bass and crisp highs ensure an immersive listening experience, whether you're indoors or outdoors. With a long-lasting battery, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted music. The speaker is lightweight and durable, making it ideal for travel, picnics, or parties. Its built-in microphone allows for hands-free calls, adding to its convenience. Water-resistant and easy to carry, it's the perfect companion for any adventure or casual listening session.